Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and every good afternoon. My name is Muhammad Ikmal Beno Helmi. My match number 01DE20F1002. So now today, I want to show you our community of my poster. My title poster is a very very famous in the energy, which is solar energy. Okay. Now, what is important solar energy to community, to the people, to the human? What is important? So before we explain that the advantage the solar energy to community, we explain the what is the solar energy. Okay, solar energy use the sunlight and heat to generate renewable or green power. So the most common form of solar energy is harnessed by solar panels or photovoltaic cells. In photovoltaic power station, they are arranged almost edge to capture sunlight in larger fields. So the cells are created from semiconductor materials. When the sun's rays hit the cell, it loses electrons from their atoms. This always the electrons to flow through the cell and generate electricity. So that means solar energy is come to use the sun to use the energy. Okay, what is the advantage the solar energy? Okay, so advantage is lowest electricity bill. So when the community use the solar energy, the solar energy can lower the electricity bill. So reducing the monthly electric bill is a priority in most homes, and generating your own energy through the power of the sun is a simple way to reduce electric bill. So when the community use the solar energy, so the electric bill can be lowest. So and the second advantage is environmentally friendly. So the solar energy is it has a far fewer carbon emission than the standard forms of non-green energy. They heavily rely on fossil fuels. So solar energy is a very environmental friendly, so he can be easy to use. Solar energy can low maintenance. When the community use the solar panel, for example, both solar energy system comes with a very extended warranty, sometimes up to 25 years. So when use the solar energy, they have a extended warranty, sometimes up to 25 years. So 25 years, oh my god. So maintenance usually only requires an annual cleaning, and the solar PV and solar thermal parts will need to be changed out about every 10 years. So when the community use the solar energy, solar PV and solar thermal parts will be changed in 10 years. So very long. So maintenance is very low. So you can panel is very low. So disadvantage of the solar energy is substantial initial investment. So the initial installation of a solar power system can be quite costly upfront. So every company offers different pricing option. Costs can vary depending on your location, number of solar panel needed, installation requirements, and labor fees. So when the community use the solar energy, substantial initial investment, so it can be more to investment to solar energy. So solar energy secondly, the disadvantage of solar energy, it doesn't work at night. So when the community use the solar energy, he doesn't work at night. So it means solar energy relies on utility grids to generate power at night when the sun is out. Okay, it means is when the sunlight is afternoon, right? Okay, when we must use the sunlight at the afternoon. So he not working at the night, because at night we have the moon. So moon no energy to solar panel. So use the solar energy at the afternoon. Afternoon is very very hot, so more hot, more energy come. So the solar energy is space constraints. So the more electricity you need, the more solar panels you will need, which leads to more space that you will have to use. Okay, so we use the solar panel is very very important to us. So the impact the solar energy the community use is the potential environmental impacts associated with the solar power, land use and habitat loss. So water use and the use of hazardous materials in manufacturing can vary greatly dependent on the technology, which includes two broad categories: photovoltaic PV, solar cells or concentrated solar thermal plus CSP. So the solar is expected to become the world's largest source of electricity by 2050. So contribute the solar system is with a solar photovoltaics and concentrate to solar power contributing 60 and 11% to be global overall consumption established in 2016. After another year of rapid growth, solar generate 1.3% of global power. So the solar energy is very very friendly to use. So I hope the community use the solar energy to save your budget bill and use the solar energy, because solar energy very very good. Don't use the more energy. So that's it for me. Thank you very much. Okay, Assalamualaikum.